over 20 years now in sort of communications. A large focus of that has been on PR. Before coming to the region, I think about 10 years before that, I was formerly a head of. So I want to focus on like the really common PR activities that I think have been most relevant to you guys. And as I said, I've learned things that just kind of just work. So I'm going to just talk through these sort of do's and don'ts, or maybe do's of these PR activities.
Move on to our next part of our session with Mr. Anas Almari from Social Station. So Anas, you can come to the stage.
So we help organizations to grow digitally through content, social media, and digital marketing. So this is our agenda. I like to keep everyone aligned with the agenda. They're usually running through agencies called programmatic agencies, okay? I need to break down all these jargons so you really know what they're talking about in the market. Let's move on to paid search, or what they refer in the market, pay-per-click, PPC. This is exactly when you search on Google, you would see the first 3 results and the last results are advertisement, right? Ads, sponsored, mind and heart together, and then my pocket. That's basically the funnel. We're done with our first agenda. Moving on. The second part of today's agenda is aligning our funnel to marketing channels, okay? It's even with the most advanced AI or Google search, no matter how nerd are you when it comes to search and looking for articles, you will not find 100% accurate answer that will satisfy what you're looking for when it comes to social media strategy or a digital marketing strategy. Please feel free to ask questions if you have any further questions. Thank you guys.